Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over order by in MySQL. So whenever we select some records, we can order those records in a couple of ways. So let's do select all from persons. So I have this table here with just a couple of names. And now what we can do is we can do select all from persons, and then at the end of that what we can do is we can do order by, and then we can call any field name. So for example, let's do last name. And now you can see that we select the records ordered by their last name. Okay, so you can see before we have Peter, then we have 2 Craigs and 2 Jacksons. But now whenever we do order by last name, you can see now that Craig is first because C is before J in the alphabet. Now we can decide which way we can do it. So we can do ASC for ascending. Now this is the same thing by default. But let's say we want to do descending. So we'll do DESC. And now you can see that it's flipped, and we're doing it from descending order. So it'll just be the opposite way. Now we can have 2 of these. We can have 2 order bys in one query. So we'll do select all from persons, order by last name descending. Alright, I'm going to change this. Let's do this to ascending just for now. Then let's add another one. So we'll just separate that with a column. Okay, and then we can do something like first name, and then we can also have this as ascending. Okay. So now you can see it's a bit different whenever we have 2 of these order bys. Okay, so you can see the very first one is we are getting the first ascending by last name, so it's C. Now, well, because we have two records here with the last name Craig, we then order these by ascending as well. So you can see the first one is Craig, so you can clearly see that these are ascending, right? Because we start off with C. Now you can see in the first name we have Bob first, and then we have John. The reason why we have Bob first is because B is before J in the alphabet, because we have specified the first name to be ordered by ascending. Okay. Now what we can do is we can flip these around. So for example, we can have descending here. Okay, and now you can see that these are flipped. Okay, so we had Bob first here, and then we had John, but now we have John first, and then we have Bob, because now we are getting the descending, okay, of these values. Now these values here will be ascending, and then based on these values, then we are going to order these values. Okay, because we have ordered by last name first. Because we have ordered by last name first, these fields here, or these records in the last name field, they'll get ordered first, and then based on these values, then these will be ordered after that. But these will be ordered first because we have mentioned that first in our query. So that's about it for this video. Hope this video was helpful. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.